Hello everyone, today I start my new video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Mal Living. The story belongs to a Korean series City Hunter. The story starts in 1983. The South Korean President Chung Dong-mo and his delegate has visited Burma when a bomb planted by North Korean agent exploded, killed some high-ranking officials. This historical event is called the Rango bombing, also known as Rango incident. To strike back, five South Korean officials planned a covert operation codenamed Operation Clean Whip to enter North Korea and kill several top members of the North High Command. Lee Ji-pyong and Park Mu-yeol, two presidential security service bodyguard and best friend who was present at the bombing, organized a 21-man team for the mission. However, as the team worked in Pyongyang, the five officials by the major decision of 4-1 about the plan to avoid an international crisis if the mission is discovered. Their major concern is that United States will withdraw its nuclear protection from if the mission is made public. In light of Seoul's official declaration, it will not related. The operation is successful, but and the drone swim out from Nepo at the Arkody Navy submarine assigned for their extract sniper aboard the submarine opened fire on them. An already injured Park sacrificed his life to save Lee. Lee swam back to store and returned to South Korea. When he found out that the assault team service and personal record has been erased. Promising to average his falling command, Jin-pyo kidnapped Mu-yeong's infant son and named him Lee Yong-sung. He fled to the Golden Triangle to raise the child as his own and trained the boy in combat. Following an attack on village they live in, Jin-pyo confessed his long-term plan for revenge to a teenager Yong-sung. 7 years later, after successfully finishing his education, attending a doctorate in the United States at the Mauritius Institute of Technology, Yong-sung returned to South Korea to fulfill his adoptive father's plans for revenge. He entered the Blue House as an IT expert under the National Communication Network team. Jin-pyo warned him not to trust anyone and never fall in love, as doing so put the people around him in danger. While working at the Blue House, Lee met bodyguard Kim Nana. Eventually, Nana participate his revenge plan and they discover that they have the same goal in mind. Problem occurs as Jin-pyo's revenge plot unfolds, especially when Lee defied his surrogate father on several occasions as they try to identify and kill the official known as the Council of Five. Each member of council has achieved significant wealth and political influence since 1983, as is engaged in various corruption levels. Jin-pyo and Yong-sung conflict stemmed primarily from Jin-pyo's wish to murder each official and Yong-sung's wish to teach them a lesson and expose their corruption without killing them. As Yong-sung exposed the official corruption, the citizens of Korea sense an unseen force of justice that they dumb City Hunt. Thank you for the listening.